and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I look like I'm lying down. And Ed's lying down next to me, but we're not in a bed. We're under Ed's car.
Fn2 video!
So, what are you doing, Ed? You're cleaning up your cat.
Yes.
Well, you know, the pipe coming from the cat, because we're fitting a new exhaust.
Yes.
And what exhaust is it?
Thank you to Danny at Dino Days. Not for doing a deal on it, but getting it to me very quickly in the post, so a real big shout out to Danny. We have got a JAPSPEED 2.5 inch single exit exhaust.
Ooh.
So we are going to get a lovely bit of burble.
Lovely burble. And, you know, we're going from the dual exhaust that this Fn2 would normally have to a single exit, which...
Well, I put on a 50 quid Ultra Sport back box in my first ownership. Did have a nice bit of burble, but we want something a bit more special and it frees it up a bit more than we're going to put on the... I think we're going to put JAPSPEED manifold as well. Keep the hole underneath JAPSPEED. It's a pretty good idea. Yeah, I think that's a good move.
You know they're gonna sync well together.
They'll sync well together. And to be honest, mate, for the first time ever putting a cat back on, I managed to get the bolts off the cat.
Yeah.
Normally I have to grind them off or saw, you know what I mean, saw them off and start
this
again.
is it. So far, in comparison to the work that has been done on my Accord, this is already 10 times easier.
Do you know why that is? It's a low owner car. He didn't do.
So's my Accord.
How many owners?
I'm the 5th.
I'm the 2nd and 4th.
Yeah. So only one owner more, you dick.
But mine's been obviously well looked after.
Hey, it's because yours is an Fn2 Type R.
You'd be free.
Stop. I'm not. Look.
We're continuing on.
Whoever
wants to swap for an EP3 for CL9? Not interested, mate. Not my bag, baby. Right, that's enough cleaning.
Yeah, there was definitely. Oh, you sent me that one. Not my bag. Not my bag, mate. Well, well, I mean, what is your bag? I mean, it's a newer car.
We like.
It's in good. It's in great condition.
Same horsepower.
Yeah.
Or yours is even more because it's newer.
Yeah. And this looks nicer, so whatever.
So, the way I did it on this exhaust was obviously I tackled the front first, and then worked my way back undoing it. It was only two 12 mils. No, sorry, two 13 mils at the back.
13 mils.
3 17 mils holding the cat on, and all the rest, mate, were all your rubber hangers. Yeah. And I advise people to lube up your hangers.
Definitely lube the hangers.
If you spray them with WD, they just pop off. I've made so many mistakes in the past of not using it, and it's an absolute nightmare.
Yeah, always lube your hangers.
As soon as you grease them up, they just pop off.
Pop off.
Let's
It puts the lotion on its skin, or it gets the hose again. Puts the lotion on its skin, or it gets the hose again.
Look at me wobbling away.
Put the lotion in the basket.
Can we invest in
some lotion in the basket?
I'm not listening. Can we invest in some sort of trolley that I lie on and go back and forth?
Yeah, okay.
Because we'll do a lot of MV for cars.
Yeah, we will be doing some more soon.
Or we'll have a unit and a proper bend pack bay.
That would be amazing. Oh!
Very professional nuts from JAPSPEED. A couple of what do they call them? Gaskets.
That's correct.
Exhaust gaskets. So you got them. Actually, didn't have a cat exhaust gasket on the car.
No.
So I don't know.
So that's good. That might be why there was water in your exhaust then.
There was. Or just got condensation.
Look at it. I mean, ooh. Oh, shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny boots of leather.
So guys, I think this is the first piece of the puzzle. But
I mean, it's got some size.
That way.
Yeah, that's it. That's
that way.
Yeah, that's where your cat's going to be.
Yeah. Because obviously there's no instructions. It's just
plug and play, though, isn't it?
And Danny at Dino Days didn't really give me much confidence in way saying good luck with the fit. They can be a nightmare.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
I can't see how it's going to be a nightmare. No. Did he mean me taking off the old system?
Possibly. I mean, obviously you underrate your ability with cars.
I underrate my ability.
Because of the work you've done on the Accord.
Yeah. But if we were doing this on the Accord, it'd be a day or two trying to get all the bolts off.
Yeah, it would.
This one would be like butter.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, if I had an EP3, it'd probably take 3 seconds. Yeah.
EP3 would always have it on there for us. You make sure you buy one with it. Or would you want to stop? Yeah, stop.
Oh, yeah.
Because you want to put your own mark in, don't you?
In the time between filming, do you know what Ed's been doing?
What do you mean?
What he's been doing? He's been messaging people, haven't you, Ed? You've been messaging people on Facebook Marketplace, offering the Accord up for swaps for EP3 Civic Type R's, haven't you? That's what you've been doing, isn't it?
You gave me your blessing.
Well, I said, oh, give it a go once. And then I've seen Ed Baxter PM'd. But I don't want it. Look, it's over there. Look, she's over there. Look, I don't want to.
Got a bad knife in your car.
And full name for your old exhaust.
Ultra. If anyone wants an Ultra exhaust back box, Rob B Tech. He often likes
stuff that
dirty
you take
old
off.
Parts.
Yeah.
Or maybe on a mission would want it.
Yeah, that's not a bad shout.
You never know, do you? In exchange for a Mugen Star wing. Or
Yeah,
use this as a Mugen Star wing.
Yeah, I don't know if that's a particularly good swap for on a mission.
No.
I don't know if Dale would be happy with that. Ooh! Look at that. How shiny it is. It's like oh, I'm a shower, not a grower. But then, oh, I've got an issue.
What?
Oh, they're like if it was a penis.
Oh.
I'm trying to make that joke.
Oh,
you've ruined the joke.
Oh,
what surprise.
I don't understand what you're doing.
Oh, caveman.
Chocolate. Baby Roo.
Oh, God.
Who's used to go Baby Roo? Hey, you guys.
Basically, just put a camera on and let Ed go, and it's
that?
editing fun.
Who's that?
That's the weird thing from the Goonies.
Sloth.
Sloth.
Slar.
Yeah. Sloth.
Yeah.
This has been going swimmingly well so far. The only issue has presented itself at this moment. So obviously we've got the back box or muffler, however you want to call it, but it's this. The last part of the exhaust just won't fit in here. So
I reckon this is the bit Danny was mentioning.
yeah, Danny did mention to Danny from Dino Days did mention to Ed that it could be a bit of a bugger, this JAPSPEED, is it? JAPSPEED setup. And this is the only bit that's causing any issue now, but I mean, you know, we got it on pretty quick and it does look very nice. I mean, it's a lovely stainless steel system. And yeah. So, yeah, that's a bit of a ball ache. I mean, Ed's going to get it sorted. He just ran the other side of the shed there. But it's you know, we kind of finally had some luck with the car. I mean, you know, this exhaust is really nice.
Hope it sounds good as it looks.
But yeah, we had some luck with the car for once, and then we've hit a bit of an annoying part, but
it'll be alright.
It'll be alright, won't it, Ed?
Yeah, it always is.
Always is. There it is up on jacks. So, as you can just about hear off camera, we found a solution for the exhaust tip not sitting in the, you know, the bumper trim properly, and that is Ed sawing it. Will it work? Won't it work? It should work, and then we'll be finished. Ooh, and then we can sound check the exhaust, which will be incredibly good. So Ed's done the sawing. It's worked.
Something's worked.
Look. Oh, hello. You see Ed?
Beep-o, beep-o.
You can see his purple rinse. Hello.
Purple rinse.
Retired old woman. Hello.
Are you free, Mr. Peacock?
I'm free!
That's when fucking Pauline Fowler was hot.
She's never been hot.
She was alright and you being served.
Oh, do you mean Barbara Windsor?
No, it was Pauline Fowler. She was in Are You Being Served? She was Miss Brahms. She was the fitter youngster.
No, that's...
No. Peggy Mitchell won in Are You Being Served?
No, I don't know.
It was Pauline Fowler. You would.
If, I mean...
You would have.
Anybody that has that information, if you're watching this video, then definitely comment below, because
she's called Wendy. She called something Richards, Wendy Richards.
Yeah, sounds familiar.
Yeah, that's Pauline Fowler. She was hot back in the day, mate.
Oh, I know who you mean. Of course. I was thinking of Pauline Quirk from Birds of a Feather. So, do you remember that time Pauline Quirk was in Are You Being Served? I was thinking,
are you
no.
Free, Mr. Humphreys?
I'm free.
Mr. Captain Peacock.
I think we're ready.
Here we go. Oh, what am I to take out of gear? Be alright, handbrake's strong enough, isn't it?
Well, let's hope so. Right, here comes the start up.
We have to start.
Go for it. Ooh. It's got a nice sound.
Can we unrev it a bit?
Yeah, go for it. Let's go for it.
Wow.
Yeah, that's, what do you think of that?
That's amazing.
That's a nice sound.
Isn't that? Let's do that again. That's pretty damn special, don't you think?
Yep.
And that's just
That's
like,
a lovely sound.
That's the normal manifold and cat, and then the JAPSPEED cat back.
Yeah, it's lovely.
I'm happy with that, mate. I'll just have a look and see if there's any leaks.
Definitely sounds lovely.
It's not overbearing.
No, it's
like
a really nice tone.
It's not too
a lovely tone.
Whap, is it?
No.
Well, the big difference will be the manifold when it decaps.
No, it sounds really good. And I mean, when we go up Ryden Lane in a minute, where it's a nice straight bit of road,
I don't mind that at all.
just hear it hit VTEC. Ooh!
There's the sweet spot. You need to find sweet spots, don't you?
Yeah.
Just under 3,000 revs.
I mean, it sounds fantastic.
That's nice.
It's not overbearing in any way.
No.
It's really good. Oh, we've got a red light. And now we don't. Oh!
This is my third gear. It's not too bad. I think you'd be able to live with that on the motorway.
Oh yeah, it's not drony. It's a nice rumble. It's a proper rumble sort of.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with it actually. I thought it would have been like a neighbour killer.
But it's not. It's just nice.
It makes it more confident that with a decat and the manifold, that's not going to be.
It's not going to. Yeah, it's not going to go overboard.
It'll be livable.
Yeah.
Oh, did that bit of pop then?
There was a little bit of a pop.
I've really got to learn how to do my second into third VTEC.
Yeah. Well, you will. You'll get used to it again.
So I'm holding it in third gear now.
Yeah. It sounds good.
Yeah, that's more or less like motorway drone.
It's not antisocial.
No.
I think that's a really good thing. It really isn't antisocial.
It's better than what was on there.
Yeah.
And I know now I've got a nice stainless system, and I'll have no problems removing the manifold and cat because the bolts were fine.
Yeah. Yeah, the bolts on Ed's FN2, absolutely fine. The bolts on my CL9, always terrible. Always terrible. But that's the way of the world.
It does feel revier.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Feels a bit more.
It feels more open, doesn't it?
Like I've taken away not all the restrictions, all the major restrictions, but a little bit of restriction has now gone. Oh. Yeah, I'm happy with this. It doesn't. Yeah, I can imagine what a manifold and decap would do.
Yeah.
And then a map. My God.
So tell everybody what exhaust system it is again.
JAPSPEED.
JAPSPEED.
2.5 inch single exit.
Yep.
Cat back. So again, yeah, thank you to Danny at Dino Days. Really quick shipping and he did warn me about the fitment, but I found the fitment all right in the end, apart from just the orientation of the muffler that stumped me a bit, but we got it right, didn't we?
We did.
And it did start to knock a bit, which we will look at, but that just could be adjusting on the hangers or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, apart from that,
really good. So, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Sulk Nation TV. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, and also find us on Facebook and Instagram under Sulk Nation TV. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and well done for that.
JAPSPEED, baby!
Speed humps!
Oh mate, over the moon with that shit. I'm not going to get tired of that anytime soon.
Hell no.
Bonus footage, come on, this is bonus footage. Oh, you just hold it in, just want to hold it in second and just hear it.
Sounds so good.
And it gets done, the sound does get better.
Yeah.
As it ages, as it, obviously everything seals and everything gets burned off, and
it just sounds really good, man.